Hi students, I have great news. I have here Donors Choose. They just posted classroom rewards of $100 for teaching a Google Applied Digital Skills lesson for Black History Month. Now, you know me, we already do a bunch of the Applied Digital Skills lessons. So we are going to do one lesson we haven't completed, and we're going to focus on February, which is the Black History Month. So how does it work? Starting February 1st, teachers can earn $100 Donors Choose gift code by completing a Black History Month lesson from Google's Applied Digital Skills program. And then I would fill out the rewards form. And then as long as the gift codes are available, they'll send me $100 gift code, which I will apply it to probably that nitro type project I have posted online for you guys. Okay, and I have a bunch of projects, so I'll a good one. So I am going to select, we already did the poster, and we haven't done the rest. So I'm going to assign this Explorer topic, Celebrate Black History. I'm going to assign this lesson this week. We are remote, so I will give you about 1 week to complete that, and then we'll review it in class next week. So I'm going to assign this lesson, and we need at least 15 students to complete this lesson. It should take about 45 to 90 minutes. Once I've completed, this is all for me. I'm going to take a screenshot of it, make sure. And then just like I said, there's always at the end the survey of what you thought of the lesson. That's very important for Applied Digital Skills for Google to review and get your input on the lesson. So please don't skip that section. And I can tell on the teacher portal, you know, how far you went. So make sure you go through every video and at the end complete that survey. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this is what the sample that I submit to Donors Choose. But I hope you guys complete the lesson. I will assign it today, and I will give you a week to complete it. Thanks. Bye.